There is a serious shortage of semiconductor chips across the globe that disrupts the operation of many industries, including automobiles, graphic cards, video game consoles, and computers. But do you know that the shortage also stops the issuance of your new debit card or credit card from the banks? Yeah, it's true, and that's why the Indian Banks Association had approached the Union government for a probe by the Competition Commission of India to check if there is cartelization by the chip suppliers. The global chip prices have gone high drastically due to increased demand and supply chain disruptions caused by COVID-19 and the US-China trade war. To more about this topic, check out this video. The banks have been facing issues as they have been unable to provide RuPay cards to the Jan Dhan account holders. Banks have told the government that the shortage has pushed up the prices of chips globally, and this has prompted local vendors to increase the prices too, despite existing supply contracts. Experts believe that this increase is not only caused by the mismatch in demand and supply, but also due to the cartelization by the chip suppliers. And this has made the Indian banks approach the CCI and the Union government for a probe. CCI is likely to take up the matter on its own or based on information filed by the Indian Bankers Association or on a reference made by the government. The Competition Act 2002 enables CCI to examine anti-competitive practices, including cartelization. Agreements between suppliers for fixing prices or limiting supplies are presumed to have an adverse effect on competition. If found guilty, the chip suppliers will have to face severe penalties.